Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River, and today I want to share with you my October Sew Sampler box from the Fat Quarter Shop. Let's take a look and see what's inside. October box is called Color Fall. So I got a feeling it's going to be fall fabrics. This is October 2024, and there is a promo code which I've got to hide. And then there is a free pattern that I can hit the code to get the free pattern. So let's see what else is in here. Ooh, there's some pretty fabrics. I'll save them for last. A sticky scissor sheath. That is something different that I've never seen. Let me see what it says about it. I know it's on here somewhere. Okay. Sticky scissor sheath. The Sticky Scissor Sheath by Utah 3D is your sewing sidekick. This pint-sized powerhouse keeps your thread, scissors snug and secure right on your machine. Stick it with the adhesive backing in the perfect spot, and your snips are always at your fingertips and never in the way. Okay. So with my small scissors, I can put this on my machine. That's pretty cool. And it has a value of $5.48. Mini bolts. Organize your fabric stash with mini bolts. Is 50 in the pack? Or no? Well, let's see. There's what it is for mini bolts. Okay. Oh, there's 6 of them. There's 6. The Fat Quarter Mini Bolt Fabric Organizer by Paper Pieces is your new best friend. It's sturdy enough to tame your fabric chaos, yet small enough to cozy up on your bookshelf. Each mini bolt is a dream for fabric pieces under a yard. Just fold, tuck one end into the slot, and wrap away. Get ready to fall in love with organizing your fabric one mini bolt at a time. Those are kind of cute. That's a value of $5.98. I always have so much fun opening this stuff. Let's see what they are like. Okay, there's one. I'll try it when I open the fabric. Also received a Fat Quarter pop-up. Make a fun container that pops. A specially formed wire springs back into shape every time. This includes instructions, one spring, one label, and one elastic. Okay, that would be fun to make. I made something like that a long time ago. We did carry-on bags that were something like this. Okay, do not remove tape from spring until instructed in the pattern. Okay, I will be making that. And let me see. The value on that is $13.98 for the pattern and hardware. And it says, say goodbye to a messy scrap bin and hello to style with the Fat Quarter pop-up pattern and hardware by So Organized Design. Select your favorite fat quarter, use provided pattern and hardware, and create a stylish new home for your scraps that easily folds away. Okay. We also received a pattern. This is called Splendid, and it's the October pattern. That is pretty, and the value of this is $9.98. When it comes to this dazzling star-studded quilt, splendid is the only word that fits. The Splendid quilt design excels at highlighting lively colors and striking prints in a grand star motif. Use it alongside the fat quarter set included in this month's box. And there are finishing kits available for this. And it finishes at 59.5 by 59.5. So I always like Fat Quarter Shop's patterns. They're colorful. I really like color images and patterns. That's the way I do my patterns also. Don't forget to check out mine. That's the way I do my patterns also. Don't forget to check out mine. You also get, I've got the Peaceful Baskets Block 7. That's cute. And if I'm going to start making these, I better get it done. The value on this is $4.98. And now the fabrics. And the fabrics are by Sherry and Chelsea. And I love their fabrics. It's not the full set. But I believe it's enough to make the quilt pattern, to make this. There's patterns for the designer. We have a beautiful orange. A tan. A green. Blueprint. A red floral. I really like that one. And then like a pink plum color. So that's the fabrics. And let's see, 1, 2, 6. And that must be the fabrics that they're showing for in this pattern. And plus you have to add your background fabric. And that is it. Now let's see. These are these little bolts. And it says, flip it in there. That. Then just wrap it around. I'll get it. And wrap it around. There you have your mini bolt of fabric. Have up instead of having them like this. So those are cute. Do another one just for the heck of it. Under there, underneath that little clip. Just wrap it. Cute. Now I have to do the fabrics done. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box for October. And I will end up totaling it all up so you can see what the value is. This box, I believe it's $39.95. But I'll have that information in the description. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Should I do them all? Why not? Okay. So this must mean that they are about $1 a piece. So at least I have enough of the fabrics here. I don't know. And there's my fabric.